Hello guys, my name is Enife, an instructor at SKI College of ICT. In this video, I'll be discussing operators in JavaScript operators. So we'll be looking at arithmetic operators, assignment operators, concatenation, logical operators, comparison operator, and ternary operator. So let's start looking at them one after the other. Let's start with the arithmetic operators. So you use arithmetic operators to perform arithmetic operations, and we perform arithmetic operations on numbers. So let's take some of the arithmetic operators. We have the plus, we have the minus, we have the division, we have the multiplication, we have the modulo, then we have the modulo, then we have the plus plus, then we have the minus minus. So these are all the operators. So the plus minus, division and multiplication, they perform what they do in mathematics. So if ever I do something like this, a lot, 4 plus 2, so I'll get 6. On the browser, I'll get 6. I'll get 6. So the same thing, the minus, we find it will subtract 4 from 2 division. Let's check on the last 3. We have the modulo, we have the plus plus, and the minus minus. So modulo simply means remainder after division. Let's look at this. If I have 7 modulo 3, that is 7 divided by 3 is 2, remainder 1. So 7 modulo 3 is 1. Here I have 5 modulo 2. That is 5 divided by 2 is 2, remainder 1. So 5 modulo 2 is also 1. So what is 4 modulo 2? That is 4 divided by 2 is 2, remainder 0. So 4 modulo 2 is 0. So what is 2 modulo 3? 2 divided by 3. Since 3 is bigger than 2, then 3 won't be able to divide 2 because it's bigger than 2. Then since I'm not dividing the 2, since I'm not cutting the 2, my 2 will remain intact. So 2 modulo 3 is 2. So a better way to understand that is if the denominator is bigger than the numerator, then it's going to return the numerator, since you are not going to divide it at all. So that's about modulo. Let's now check these two. Plus plus and minus minus. Plus plus and minus minus. So if I have variable a as 4, then I have a plus plus. I have a plus plus. Then I have a lot a. Then a plus plus simply means that hey, equals to a plus 1. That is, get the initial value of a, add 1 to it, then update it as the new value of a. In other words, you can say is equal to so a plus plus equals to get the initial value of a, add 1 to it, and update it as the new value of a, as the final value of a. So in this case, line 18, I have the initial value of a is 4, add 1 to it, making 5, then update it as the new value of a. So if I say a lot, I'll say 5 here. So a minus minus is the opposite. That is, get the initial value of a, subtract 1 from it, and update it as the final value of a. So a minus minus will be 3. So do you understand now? Now let me now use the opportunity to tell us the difference between a plus plus and plus plus a. What if I have plus plus a? Plus plus a will work almost exactly like a plus plus. So in this case also, it's going to get the initial value of a, add 1 to it, and update it as a final value of a. Then so when I go to the browser, I'll see 5. Then minus minus a, we also do the same, like the opposite. Get the initial value of a, remove, subtract 1 from it, and update it as the final value of a. Now, so it seems as though a plus plus and plus plus a, they are doing the same thing, but not exactly like that. Let's look at the difference between the two. If I have plus plus a is preincrement. Preincrement. In a simple word, let's make it as simple as possible. Whenever if I come here and say alert a plus a, and let's also have alert a, good. In line 18, I have alert plus a. In line 19, I have alert a. I told you that plus a means preincrement. What that means is that increase the value of a instantly. Increase the value of a instantly. So line 18, I'll see 5. That is going to do this. That's line 17. Initial value of a, add on to it and update it as the new value of a. It's going to update the value of a instantly. So you see 5, then you see 5. So line 18 returned 5, line 19 also returned 5. Let me refresh again. You see 5, you see 5. Or let me use console first to understand it better and for us to see a line. So okay, so as you can see here, this is 5, while this is also 5. So line 18 is returning 5 and line 19 is also returning 5. Let me change this to plus plus a. A plus plus. A plus plus means that it's not going to do the update immediately, but next time you use a, it will be using the new value. Do you get it now? It's not going to do the update immediately, but the next time you use a, it will use the new value. So meaning that line 18 will still be 4, but next time you use a, you will now say 5. It's not going to do the increment, it's not going to increment it immediately, but next time, anytime you try to use a again, you will now see the new value. So you see 4, then you see 5. Good. Let's look at other ways for you to understand this if you are having issues understanding this. Look at it. Let's assume I have console log a plus 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 a. So I told you that a plus plus is going to increase the value of a by 1, but it's not going to do that instantly. So this place will still be 4 plus, but the next time you try to use it, it will be using the updated value. So this now becomes 4 plus 5. So that is what's 9. So let's check the console. You see 9. Let me now change this to plus plus a plus a. So plus plus a, update the value of a instantly. So in line at this place, plus plus a will be 5, then plus a 5, because it's going to update it instantly. So you have 5 plus 5, which is 10. You have 10. So another way to also look at it is, let's say plus plus a, let's say a plus 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 a plus plus. So at this place, a plus plus, that is, it will increase the value of a, but not instantly. So a plus plus here is 4 plus. Remember, the next time you use a, you'll be using the updated value. So in this case, the updated value is 5. Then you are writing another a plus plus again, but remember, it's not going to update it immediately. It's going to update it the next time you try to use a. So you have 4 plus 5. So let me now come here again and say console log. Okay, so here you have 4 plus 5, but remember you've increased the value of it by 1, but you are not having it instantly. So in line 19 you will now see 6. So this becomes 4 plus 5, which is 9. Then in line 19 you see 6. So let's check the browser. You have 9, 6. Let's not change. Let's do the same thing with plus a. So line 18 you have plus a, increase the value of a by 1, so that is 5. Then it's going to update it immediately. So you have 5a plus a. Remember the value of a has increased by 1 here. So at this place you now have plus a, meaning you are increasing it again by 1. That is 5 plus 1 making 6, and remember it is plus a, it is pre-increment, meaning that it's going to increase the value immediately. So you have 6, that is 5 plus 6, 11. Then here you now have console log a, you see the new value, which is 6. So you have 11 and 6. So you have 11 and 6. So that is about pre-increment and post-increment. Okay, I'll be stopping the video here.